Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Gladys. So today I'm doing an introduction video. I already did. My name is anyway. I started my YouTube long time ago, but I wasn't posting my videos, so I never had a thought of doing an introduction video. But today I decided, let me have some courtesy and do an introduction video, because I just came back like to Facebook, I mean to YouTube, and started doing videos, and so many guys don't even know me, don't know who is this, so get to know me now. So this is an introduction video. And what is your name? My name is, I said Gladys, but yeah, call me Moy Linden. That is my name. And where are you from? I am from Kenya, East Africa. Yeah, East African finest. But I'm living in Finland at the moment. How long I have lived in Finland? Many years, you can't even count. Came here before you were born. So, what is it about me you guys would like to know? You tell me. Anyway, I'm a lover of life. I love trying new things. Life is too short to get bored all the time. So I like to experience new things all the time, and I love traveling a lot, but I haven't traveled enough. But that is something I really love, or would love to, all the time. If I was rich, I would be traveling all year round. Yeah. So one thing you wouldn't think I would love, or that I do, is that I love also walking in the woods. Yeah. And that is because I have become a Finn. Now I'm very Kenyan. I love sauna. Yeah, I go to sauna weekly. And I love cooking. It's one of my favorite things to do. And the most important thing, I love photography. I love to do DIYs, which I'm gonna be doing in this channel too. What is it? Yeah, I came to Finland as a grown-up. I was born and raised in Kenya, born and bred. Yeah, so I came here as a grown-up. I came here to study. I'm in the social field. I work with children, sometimes with families. Yeah. What else? I'll be vlogging a lot in the most of my videos now are tutorials, but I'll be vlogging in spring, and in spring is coming pretty soon, like in few weeks. And in summer you'll get to see me so much, and you'll get to see my summer makeup. You'll get to see my neighborhood. You'll get to see every places that I visit, maybe my family. And thanks so much for those who have stuck with me in this journey since I came back to YouTube, and thanks for believing in me, and thanks for subscribing and liking my videos. And some of you who are sharing my videos, thank you so much for sharing. That is a very, very great thing you're doing. And I don't have so much things to say. So if I know you guys might have so many questions to ask me, probably. If you want to ask me any questions, I'll later do a Q&A, so you can ask questions. You can inbox me on the YouTube, or on Facebook, or on Instagram at Moy Linden. On Facebook, you can inbox me too, but I think it's better you inbox me on Instagram. Yeah, my Facebook is also Moy Linden. My YouTube is Moy Linden. It's just boring. Moy Linden, Moy Linden, Moy Linden. So yeah, you search Moy Linden and you will find Moy Linden all over the world. I'm joking. So you can inbox me and ask all the questions that you want, and then I'll do a Q&A, and I'll ask you, I'll mention your name, I'll like, hey, this one, ask this. If you don't want me to mention, then I will not mention. But yeah, I will be doing in future I'll be doing also traveling videos, and I might be doing cooking videos. I did one, it was a fail. Did you guys watch? So thank you so guys for this. And that's me, just a simple girl living her life and doing what she loves. I love makeup and doing makeup tutorials. I'm not a makeup artist, and I don't do great makeup. No, I just do what I know and what I love. So yeah, if you think we have some things in common, like this video and share and stick with me so that we can travel in this journey together. And I like partying. Party till you drop. Yeah, life is too short to get worried all the time, so I party when I have to, and if I party good. Hey, bye, and see you in the next video. Bye.